Gamit ka board. Bong. Gamit ka board. Erwin. Maxwell.
Back to the ball game. Oras natin. 3 minutes and 25 seconds left para sa ating first quarter. Official score natin 10-9, 1 point lead by Pupils. By Rosario.
Si Daniel. Kunin mo si Toto.
Basket by Pinela.
Okay, gamit ko na.
Tapaya. Intercept by Labido.
Baba.
Receive 2 points by Labido.
Oh, Toy.
Inbound by Tapaya 2. Baya pass to De Los Reyes.
Kabila.
Nugget. Inbound by Rosario.
Wala sundot.
Intercept by
Okay, Mataranta.
De Los Reyes to Tapaya. 2 minutes and 50 seconds left.
Ilalim. Nice. Pogi. Pogi.
Basket by Mamawag.
Pogi lagi.
Ayun pala si Pogi. Nakakita na natin si Pogi.
Oh no.
Tutukan natin si Pogi. Mamaya.
Foul committed by number 1. Tapaya, second personal foul. Warning for penalty, maximum. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 38 seconds left. Charity shots, give it to number 2, Labido.
Shout out, pamangkin. Tingin naman.
First shot by Labido, no good.
Pinaka-poging coach. Ah.
Second shot, basket. Substitution ref, number 1, Tapaya out, Kahara in.
Kawabak. Wala sundot. Pahinga agad.
Inbound by Bayaw. Blocking foul, committed by Marano. Marano first, personal foul, second team foul.
Kaya mo sa loob.
Inbound by Kahara to Mamawat, back to Kahara.
Dalawa kayo nandiyan sa sulok. 3 seconds yan.
15 seconds to shoot. No! Rebound by Balistan to Del Rosario.
Talido na naman si Daniel.
Basket by Del Rosario. Inbound by Mamawag to
Shout out Daniel De Rosario.
Lapit!
15 seconds to shoot. Basket by Loyola.
Grabe, intense, intense. Ito ang semis. Yan ang semis.
Intercept by De Los Reyes.
Diretso, Anjur!
Nakuha ni Mamawag. Level.
Semis pakpakan. Grabe. Nice.
Substitution. Number 11, Del Rosario out, Alcantara in.
Sa loob, huwag kang foul ng foul. Sa score, kayong bumawi ng score sa foul. Pag nag-trade, wala ka.
15 seconds to shoot. Manila, still Labido, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Loyola. Oras natin, 1 minute and 28 seconds left. No good. Jump ball possession po ng maximum.
Palitan mo muna si Anjur.
No good. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. Spot. No good. Rebound by Mamawag. 2. De Los Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by De Los Reyes.
Ow!
1 minute exactly. 10 remaining para sa ating first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Labido. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Mamawag. Megan. Rebound by Pinela to Alcantara. 23 seconds left. Alcantara 43. Alcantara 3 points. 95 seconds left.